Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put cosine x in here, that means we have another cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x over cosine x equal to tan x, and 1 over cosine x equal to secant of x. Next, this one we change by tan x, 1 over cosine x we change by secant of x. So we have secant of x to the power of 8. So this one I will put about secant of x to the power of 6 and secant of x squared. So this one we need to change into secant of x squared to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. Secant of x squared equals to 1 plus tan x squared. Now we need to put this one going here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of x squared dx. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u squared. Secant of x squared dx we change by du. And now we need to expand this one. So we have 1 divided by u squared divided by u to the power of 4 divided by u to the power of 6 divided by u. So we have 1 over u plus 3u plus 3u to the power of 3 u to the power of 5. And now we have the final answer. So we have the formula in here. The integration of 1 over u du, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. The next one, u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we have the final answer in here. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2. The next one that is about number 4. And the next one that is about number 6. About u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.